Hello and welcome to Motormind. In today's video, we're gonna see how an aftermarket carbon fiber bumper is installed on a Lamborghini Huracan. Though we are a manufacturing company and have our own line of products, we do not take any credits for this particular bumper as it's an aftermarket product. We are purely trying to showcase our skill set, understanding techniques that are involved in making a proper fitment without hampering the original functionalities of the car. So let's go see how this is done. And as you can see, we dismantled the rear bumper just because the customer's got a carbon fiber aftermarket bumper, and we're going to do the installation very soon and I will take you through it. It's going to be interesting. Comparing the weight of both the bumpers, this is way lighter. This is relatively heavier. That's because it has lots of parts assembled into it. One is the reinforcement panels, diffuser, a separate panel. But actually, ABS in its original form is very light. But because of all these additional components, it's adding a lot of weight. So, in terms of this, auto sparks are not going to go in. So, a lot of weight saving. That is one added advantage. As you can see, the original one has parking sensors here. In the aftermarket bumper, we don't have that provision. So we'll have to drill holes and make provision for that. These brackets that hold the parking sensor, we're gonna remove this from here and place it onto this. Okay, a special kind of adhesive will be used for that. The other thing is the exhaust tips. As you can see, it's mounted on two brackets on top and one bracket at the bottom. So those again, we'll come back here. There is a provision here for the bracket to be mounted, but again, the holes for the fasteners to go in are not made yet. So we have to make accurate measurements and make provisions for that. These black panels, what you're seeing, they are basically rigidity panels. So as you can see now, in the carbon fiber, we don't have these rigidity panels, and the original one will not go onto this because the complete shape and contours are very different. But the carbon fiber bumper in itself is very robust and rigid, so we won't be using that. This also will be removed from the original bumper, and they have a provision for it here that will be placed there, but again, there are no holes or provisions made for it. We'll have to calculate and do the same. So I think after the installation, it should look stunning on this car. This is the original connector for the parking sensors. So this, the entire harness along with the sensors will all be transferred on to the new bumper in the exact locations, so that the original functionality is retained without any issues. This portion goes into the bracket which is mounted on the rear fender. This is the top portion of the bumper. So coming on to the carbon fiber, these slots are not drilled. So again, in the same shape, carefully we gotta dial this in so that the fitment is proper. Because if we are not gonna get this right, then the fitment and the gap will not be proper. All along the bumpers, they don't have holes. So that is the only small challenge or difficult part of doing this installation. I think the rest of the things are pretty straightforward. It sounds simple, but it has to be done very carefully and thoughtfully so that we don't have any issues later.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.
Hey guys, here's the car. fully finished. I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? I think our team has done a fantastic job in terms of putting it together. The fit and finish, the gaps, everything looks nice. I'm sure the owner's gonna love it too. We were planning to add some light elements here on these fins, but since there's a shortage of time, the owner plans to come back after the bull run, after the drive, and then we look forward to doing that. Probably we'll design something new here, a new design element. So that is going to even step up the level of the entire outlook, and I would love to do it as well. So thank you.